මාත්‍යංශ නිවේදන ජල සම්පාදනා ජලපාන කරු මාත දිනේෂ් කුලවාදන මහතා
ගරු කතානායකතුමනි වීරකේසරි පුවත්පතේ 17/2/14 වෙනි දින සඳහන් වෙනවා මෙන්න අපේ ගරු මන්ත්‍රීතුමෙක් ශ්‍රීධරන් මන්ත්‍රීතුමා කර ප්‍රකාශය වඩත්කිල් සිංහර ලයි குடியேற்ற வே இரண நாய்மடு யாழ் நீர்விநியோக திட்டம் පාරාලුමන්ත්‍ර උරුප්පිනර් සිවඥානම් ශ්‍රීධරන් ඉරණමඩු යාපනයේ ජල සම්පාදන යෝජනා ක්‍රමයේ අරමුණ සිංහල ජනයා පදිංචි කිරීම මේ සිරස්තල යටතේ බොහොම කනගාටුදායක අසත්‍ය ප්‍රකාශයක් එතුමා කරලා තිබෙනවා. ඒ නිසා මම අමාත්‍යවරය හැටියට නිවැරදි කරන්නට කැමතියි. The concept of Jaffna Kilinochchi water supply project was conceived long ago in consideration of the impact of the project on social welfare and the economic spin-offs that could be delivered to the people of Jaffna and the northern peninsula and the islands, and also to the people of Kilinochchi area. Our government, under President Mahinda Rajapaksa, in 2009 sought funding assistance to implement this top priority drinking water project. The ADB gave highest most consideration to the government's request and allocated funds, and a loan was signed for rupees 21,000 million on a priority basis. The French government too extended funding assistance. The objective of the project is to enhance the standard of health and quality of the life to ensure social welfare, overall well-being of the people of the Jaffna Peninsula and the northern province. By providing much needed economic infrastructure, the livelihoods of the people of northern province will be enhanced and improved, which in turn will elevate poverty levels in the region. The project was formulated by carrying out thorough feasibility studies in 2006 by engaging foreign and local consultants. The most suitable water source to abstract water has been extensively investigated within the peninsula and also in the mainland and in Kilinochchi district. After detailed studies were carried out, it has been established that Iranamadu tank in Kilinochchi district has the capacity to provide the required amount of drinking water without jeopardizing the quantity of water required for irrigation and cultivation activities. A study which has been carried out by the Provincial Irrigation Department too has established that Iranamadu tank holds enough water to cater for both drinking water demand and the irrigation demands as well. We shall state here that we do not only depend on the Iranamadu tank source, but already have launched programs to develop other alternative sources such as desalination plants and groundwater development to back up this water supply to Jaffna Peninsula. The Jaffna district is estimated to have a population of 650,000 people, while the population of Kilinochchi district is estimated to be around 150,000 people. With the Jaffna water supply scheme, we are planning to provide drinking water supply to 300,000 people, and in Kilinochchi programs have been launched to cover over 50,000 people at present. We have also successfully launched a separate drinking water project to serve Kilinochchi town and Parantan area with grant assistance from Japan, abstracting water from Iranamadu tank to serve a population of over 24,000 people. Apart from that, 3 rural water supply schemes have been launched in Kilinochchi district with ADB funding, covering a population of 1,700 people in Ayakachi and Vatakachchi and Akkarayan. Under the project, we are not only supplying drinking water, but we have strengthened the Iranamadu tank bund, for which the Ministry of Water Management and Irrigation has provided the funds. The tank bund will be raised by 2 feet to store additional water requirement for the drinking water purposes. The project also will develop the downstream irrigation canal systems. Already this has been started, and over rupees 4,000 million have been allocated to the provincial authorities. We have looked after the farmers' interests as an utmost priority. The project has first taken steps to safeguard the farmers' interests and only then have gone to develop the drinking water supply scheme. Honourable Speaker, in 2007, MOU was signed between the National Water Supply Drainage Board and the Provincial Irrigation Department to share water for Iranamadu tank for drinking water and irrigation. Extensive discussions, consultation, awareness campaigns were held at all levels to keep all stakeholders involved and aware of the MOU. The ADB and the French government extended funding assistance based on this MOU on water sharing. The MOU has been amended to accommodate the concerns of farmers and expected to accommodate what they have raised. This project not only supplies drinking water but will cover the sewerage component to provide pipe-borne sewerage system to Jaffna town, which intends to protect the much valued and preserved groundwater aquifer in the Jaffna Peninsula for posterity. Furthermore, the project covers training capacity building components to strengthen and enhance the operational capacity of the National Water Supply Drainage Board. These training programs and capacity building programs will bring technology transfer to entire region with positive features. The objectives of the project are extensive and broad, with a wide social, economic, environmental horizon which encompasses socio-economic aspirations for all the people of Jaffna and the Northern Province. The extensive distribution network of total length of 650 kilometers running across the entire Jaffna Peninsula, serving a population of over 300,000 people, and Punarin and Pale area will be laid under this project. The areas where the pipe-borne water cannot be delivered, the individual rural water supply schemes have been designed and implemented under project assistance from Japan. The project focuses on the major part of Jaffna Peninsula, inclusive of all islands. The project has been launched to serve and cover all people in Jaffna Peninsula and Northern Province, and to protect and safeguard the environment, and is a flagship sustainable development project. In this context, it is apparent that the key objective of this project is to serve the people of Jaffna and in the Northern Province, to support commercial, industrial activities by providing access to safe drinking water and sanitation facilities. Therefore, I would like to state, I categorically refute and reject totally the statement by Honourable Sridharan MP in Veera Kesari newspaper of 17/2014. Further, I wish to state very clearly that the government's Iranamadu Jaffna water project has not been planned or with any intention whatsoever to settle Sinhala families in the Iranamadu and Jaffna areas as stated by the Honourable Member. This is Honourable Sridharan's own imagination to disrupt, sabotage this flagship project, which brings water to people of Kilinochchi as well as people of Jaffna, and I request the Honourable Member to be realistic and to not to serve his people, and to serve his people than his imaginationally sabotage work. Thank you, sir.